I'm going to show you how to turn this into products you will be needing. Whatever kind of fingernail polish you like. I'm gonna use this sparkly purple because it's pretty and kind of accents with the new studio arrangement. Excuse all my mess because I'm in the process of redoing my studio, so I just have stuff everywhere. And Scotch tape. What you do is you take the Scotch tape, you roll a piece on out. You get the length of tape that you want. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand. I should have set it up and videoed better, but oh well. And what you do is just tape off in a straight line how you want it. This is matte Scotch tape because it seems to come up better for me. Seal it in the way that you want it at the bottom and take heed to where you put your tape for the line that you want in between. So that's the bottom piece, and then you just get another piece of the same length. But this is my line that I taped off because I wanted that thickness. I would recommend using a piece of tape that covers this, you know, the whole area. Like here is going to be a long piece of tape. Because if you do it in pieces, when you peel off the tape to have a crisp, clean line, having, you know, bits and pieces can affect that. So, yeah. And after you've got your tape on there the way you want to, just simply open up your fingernail polish and paint in between the tape. Paint over the tape, in between the tape. Now, of course, it looks a little, you know, not so cool now, but that's just because this is the first coat. So I try to just do an even coat all the way. Like I said, paint over both edges. And we're just painting here. We're painting here. A thin coat. Because when you let it dry and get tacky, and then do your second coat, it tends to come out better. It just seemed like it came out a lot better. For me there. Like that, when you paint over it. Now I did paint a coat, like that thin coat that I showed you before a second ago. And I had this handy dandy little fan. I got this, I think we got this like from the state fair a few years ago. But I just kind of let that blow air dry and stuff like that. Just for a little bit. Held it out, I don't know, a couple minutes. Nah, probably like a minute. And I turned it around, and then because I taped off the other side as well and painted both sides, being productive and proactive and all that good stuff. The long part right here, I like to lay it on this side and then get the straight line. But I'm gonna let the two ends dry, and then we'll see a finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and before I fill it and then put my lipsticks on top, which is what I think I'm going to do with this jar or vase, I'll probably let it dry overnight and stuff. So that is the DIY on how to make a pretty glittery strip. Very simple, very cheap. This is the original $6.60. Got it from Goodwill because it does have a little bit of a crack that I had to fix on that side. It wasn't broken. It's just like a little chip crack or whatever, for $1.07. Yes, this massive jar. Look how long and deep that is. This can be used for so many different things, but this is what I'm using it for. See, look, it's already kind of tacky dry. But anyway, $6.60 fingernail polish was what, I don't know, $1, couple dollars or something. Actually, it was free for me from a purchase I made. Originally $5, but free for me. $1.07. Scotch tape, what, 50 cents, $1. Lovely vase for pretty much $2. Hope you enjoyed my DIY. It's late, guys. Until next time. Ciao.